Okay, so welcome to this video. Yep, so the last video we did our build bottom inlet face. Now I want to get the build top inlet face. Okay, you can see once you get the hang of it, the thing is just pretty much copy and paste. And it's not top inlet face, pardon me, it's top outlet face. So again, we'll have self face list and shape to be our inputs. Okay, I think 3 part 1 and 3 part 2 are already done. Okay, first get your face ID, then get this. I'll just leave it here. Okay, then we'll go through line by line. First line is build. Instead of bottom inlet, we'll call it top outlet because I want my top to be my outlet. I'm not going to use the bottom inlet vertex anymore. I'm going to use a full stop to repeat the lines. And we're going to use, you get top outlet point. And then I'll just replace this with a small t. Let's get top outlet point. See whether there is a top outlet point. Next. Okay, so this is the correct function. We have more than one use of it. So get top outlet point is here. Top outlet vertex. So next thing is the for face in face list. We measure distance. So your start point will be your top outlet vertex. And your end point will be face, as seen before. If distance equals to 0, then you'll get face ID equals to self jump height get subshape ID. All of this is the same. Just that the criteria for selecting the set face is different. Let's call this outlet. Outlet. Okay, self jump height create group shape type is face. Self jump height union ID. So instead of inlet will be outlet. And self jump height add study to further inlet. It will become outlet. And this one will be called top outlet. Okay, self.update browser. And I'm going to add this function to here. Yank, paste. So instead of this, we'll have build top outlet. And everything else is the same. Let's try it again. Get the test object and face name. You can see that the second cylinder now has a top inlet face and a bottom inlet face and top outlet face. So let me delete this and try again. Get the test object and get the face name. Okay, so this is a cylinder, inlet and outlet. So inlet is at the bottom, outlet's on top. So this is outlet. This is the inlet. Okay, so great. This is our second function done. The third function will be for the curved surface. So with that, I will just end this video here because I think that's enough for today. I've made a lot of videos and I want to take a break. Okay, so I'm going to copy all of this, yank. I'll paste it right here. Instead of build top outlet face, we will say, I will say this is the build curved wall face because this is the part where you build the curved wall. Okay, curved wall. So I'm going to use a top outlet vertex because that's convenient. Second, we measure distance. And not only do we measure distance, we also want to get the radius because the minimum distance should be the radius. And if the minimum distance is the radius. Anyway, so next one is get radius. Yeah. Okay, so radius equals to self.getRadius. Okay. Alright, self.getRadius. This will be the radius. And instead of using distance, I will use difference. Distance minus radius. And if this difference is 0, difference is 0. Yeah, if this difference is 0, face ID equals to self.geompy, get subshape ID. This is no longer called outlet, it will be called wall. Okay, wall equals self.geompy create group. Self.geompy union ID, this will be wall. Okay. Okay, and self.geompy add study to father shape is wall. And I'll just call this the curved wall. Okay, let me update the browser. Maybe I'll just change this. Yeah. Okay, now I wanted to change this to curved wall, but maybe that's like overkill. Okay, but this is the built curved wall face, and I'll just use the same arguments again. Yank, paste. Curved wall face. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean all of this up, delete it, and let's try again. Test equals self.getTest object, and let's take a look. Okay, we have all our faces here, our curved wall, top and bottom, and she a beauty. Okay. So, yeah, let me turn off the cylinder tool. Bottom inlet. This is the curved wall, top outlet. Okay, I believe I've done my job. Okay, this is it for the geompy bit. We can of course do meshing a little bit later, but yeah, we have our thing. Haha, great. All right, so that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.